Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Today's topic is admission of a partner. This is another mode of reconstitution. Okay, first mode of reconstitution is change in profit sharing ratio, and another mode of reconstitution is admission of a partner. Okay, in what is the need of admitting a new partner, or you can say what are the reasons to admit a new partners. So let us tell you, when firm requires more capital, so it is advisable to admit a new partner, because when new partner came into the business or join the business, he will bring more capital for his share of profit. Okay, so next is second, competent and experienced person may be taken into business. If you take competent and experienced person as a partner, your business will definitely grow. And number 3 is to increase the goodwill and reputation of the firm. If you are taking a reputed person in your business, okay, to encourage capable employee, means if you are taking one of your employee as a partner, so he will feel a sense of belonging towards the business. Okay, then he will do more better when he becomes a partner. Next is, what are the rights of a new partner? Okay, what are the rights of a new partner? Rights of a new partner is, when new partner admitted in the business, he is admitted to share future profits of the firm. Okay, and he will share assets of the firm also. Okay, next is adjustments needed at the time of admission. What are the adjustments to be needed at the time of admission of a new partner? Number 1 is calculation of new profit sharing ratio, because when there are two partners, A and B, C is admitted as a partner, तो A and B will sacrifice towards C. ठीक है, तो it is necessary to calculate new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission. Next is accounting treatment of goodwill, because new partner brings his share of goodwill in the firm when he is admitted, so it should be divided among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Okay, it is also a revaluation of assets and liabilities, because a new partner is also has a right to share assets of the firm in future, so that's why they have to revalue their assets and liabilities at the time of admission. Okay, next is accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits, because these reserves and accumulated profits also belongs to old partners before admission. So at the time of admission, you have to distribute among old partners, so that in future they will get all of them on the basis of new partners profit sharing ratio. Okay, when new partner is admitted, he is to bring some capital for his share of profit. ठीक है, in that case sometimes adjustment of capital is done in new profit sharing ratio. As I have already told you, in case of admission, you have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so there are 4 cases. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 cases for calculation of new profit sharing ratio. First is, only new partners ratio is given in the question. Okay, if new ratio is given, for example, A, B, C are partners. A, B, C are partners. They are sharing the ratio of 5:4:3, and new partner D is admitted. Okay, for 10% profit. It means he is admitted for 10 by 100, or you can say 1 by 10 share. Okay, so in this case you have to take, let profit is equal to 1 D share is 1 by 10. So what is the remaining share? Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 9 by 10. Okay. And this should be divided among A, B and C. A, B and C. In which ratio? A's ratio is 5 by 12 and B ratio is 4 by 12. Okay. And C ratio is 3 by 12. Okay. So you have to calculate new ratio like this. New ratio A का 5 by 12 into 9 by 10. Okay. B share is equal to 4 by 12 of 9 by 10. Okay. And C share is 3 by 10 of 3 by 10 is 3 by 12 of 9 by 10. Okay. It comes to 15 by 40 and this comes to 12 by 40 and C new share is equal to 9 by 40 and you know D share is equal to 1 by 10, so you have to make denominator same 40 because ABC has denominator of 40, so D denominator is also 40. So 10 4 is 40, you have to take this. The new ratio among A, B, C, D is how much? 15 is to 12 is to 9 is to 4. Okay, this is the new ratio. 15, 12, 9, 4 is the new ratio. Okay. New partner for 1/6 shares. Z is admitted as a partner for 1/6 share. He takes equally from X and Y. Z is taking. That's why I have put arrow like this. Okay, the arrow like this. Because Z is acquiring half of his share from X. What he is getting from X is X sacrifice is equal to 1 by 6 is Z share and he is taking 1/2 from him. Okay, so it becomes 1 by 12. X sacrifice is equal to 1 by 12. And Y sacrifice is how much? Is also same. Z share is 1 by 6. He is taking half of his share from Y also. So 1 by 12. Okay. Therefore, new ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. ठीक है. तो new ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. X is sacrificing how much? 7 by 12. His share is 7 by 12. He is sacrificing 1 by 12. So it becomes 6 by 12. Okay. And Y share is how much? Y new share is equal to 5 by 12 is his old share minus he is sacrificing 1 by 12. So this share becomes 4 by 12. Okay. And Z share is 1 by 6, or you can say if denominator of X and Y is 12, you have to make it 12. So 6 2 is 12. Okay, 1 by 6 or 2 by 12. ठीक है. तो therefore new ratio is equal to new ratio of X, Y, Z is equal to 6, 4 and 2. 6:4:2, or all are divisible by 2, so 3:2:1. Okay, this is done. New partner purchases his share of profit from old partners in particular ratio. Okay, so in this case, P, Q, R are partners. They are sharing in the ratio of 3:3:2. S is the new partner and his share is 4/7. Okay, he is taking, I have put arrow like this. So S is taking 2/7 from P. Okay, from this. And 1/7 from Q. And 1/7 from R. Okay, so when there is from word is there, so you have to minus this. Okay, so you have to ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. So they are sacrifice how much? P's old ratio is 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. So 3/8 is his old ratio, minus he is giving 2/7. Okay, therefore 8 7 जा 56 हो गया, 7 3 जा 21 minus 16 is equal to 5/56. This is his new share. Okay, now comes to Q. Q's old share is 3/8, and how much he is giving? S is taking 1/7 from Q, so you have to minus it 1/7. Okay, 8 7 जा 56 again 21 minus 8 is equal to 13/56. Okay, then comes to R. R old share is 2/8 and he is giving how much? S is taking 1/7 from R, so you have to minus it 1/7 from R share. Okay, 6/56. Okay, so new ratio is old minus sacrifice. P's new share is 5/56, Q new share is 13/56, and R new share is 6/56. And as you know, S is admitted for 4/7 share, so you have to make denominator equal. Okay, so it comes to 32/56. Therefore, new ratio among P, Q, R, S is P, Q, R, S is equal to 5:13:6:32. Okay, 5, 13, 6, 32. Fourth case is when old partners surrenders a particular fraction of their share in favor of a new partner. Okay, A, B are partners. They are sharing in the ratio of 7:3. C is admitted as a new partner, but his share is not given in the question. ठीक है? When there is of word is used, so you have to multiply, because I have already told you when from word is there, so you have to minus it, and in case of you have to multiply. In this case, A is surrendering 2/7 of his share. A is surrendering 2/7 of his share towards C, and B is surrendering 1/7 of his share towards C. So how will you calculate? A sacrifice is equal to, या A surrenders how much? His share is 7:3 means 7 plus 3 10, 7/10 and 3/10. So okay, 7/10, because there is off word is using, so into 2/7. Okay, so it comes to 14/70. Okay, B sacrifice is equal to His old share is 3/10 and he is sacrificing how much? 1/7 of his share. So 1/7 you have to multiply. Okay. So it comes to 3/70. This is the sacrificing share. Okay. If we say sacrificing ratio is equal to 14:3 in this case. Okay. New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. Okay. So in this case, A's new share, new ratio. Okay. New ratio is of A is equal to 7/10 is his old ratio minus he is sacrificing how much? 14/70. Okay. And B's old share is 3/10. He is sacrificing 3/70. Okay. And C share is equal to what they are sacrificing. So A is sacrificing 14/70 and B is sacrificing 3/70. So C share comes to 17/70 and equal to 5. Okay. So 5/10 is the final new ratio. B's new ratio is equal to his old share is 3/10 minus he is sacrificing this 3/70. Okay. So 3/70 you have to write here by 70. Okay. And his share is 17/70. So now new ratio is A, B, C की A is to B is to C is equal to 5/10. Okay. 18/70 is to 17/70. Or you can say this 5/10 is equal to, if you are making denominator 70, so 5 7 ja 35. You can write here 35 is to 70. Okay. So is equal to 35 is to 18 is to 17. Okay. This is your new ratio among A, B, C. A, B, C का new ratio is 35, 18 and 17. Okay. Next is sacrificing ratio in case of admission of a new partner. When new partner is admitted, old partners will sacrifice some of his share towards new partner. The formula of this is sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So let us take an example. A and B are partners. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:1. Okay. A surrenders 1/4 of his share. Who is his here? A, his represents A and B surrenders 1/2 of his share. Here, who is his? It stands for B. Okay. Share in favor of C, a new partner. C is the new partner in this case. Okay. But C's share is question mark. C share is question mark. Okay. What is the sacrificing ratio in this case? So we have to apply this formula. Sacrifice is equal to old minus ratio. Okay. He is surrendering 1/4 of his share. As I have already told you, when there is off, you have to multiply. So 1/4. 4/5 का 1/4 he is sacrificing. Okay. So it comes to 4/20. And what B is sacrificing? 1/5. He is sacrificing 1/2 of his share. ठीक है. So it comes to 1/10. Okay. Therefore, this is A sacrifice and this is B sacrifice. Okay. Now new ratio is ए का हो जाएगा आपका एज ओल्ड रेशियो इज 4/5 minus 4/20 and B's new share is new. Old share is 1/10, 1/5 minus 1/10. Okay, so it comes to what A and B is sacrificing. You have to add it. 4/20 he is taking from A and 1/10 he is taking from B. Okay, so 20 is the LCM is equal to among A, B and C is 12 2 and 6. Okay, all are divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 is 6. So it comes to 6:1:3 new ratio. Okay.